What's up, everybody? It's the Tech Playoffs, and I'm back with another video. And as you can see, I picked up the Pixel 6a. Quick little backstory: I had the Pixel 6, I had the Pixel 6 Pro, and I returned them like most people because with all the issues that it was having, it wasn't worth the price. I picked up the Pixel 6 around, I think it was $600, and the Pixel 6 Pro, I got it for around $850, $900. Were they great phones? In the beginning, yes, but I ran into a lot of issues, and like I said, with that price tag, I was not comfortable picking it up. I just picked up this bad boy today for $299. Again, like I said, I just paid $299 for a Pixel 6a on Best Buy because they had a sale. Man, that is a steal, so I had to pick it up. I'm gonna challenge myself. As you guys can, if you guys notice, let me show you real quick. I have been rocking the Samsung Watch 5 Pro and the Galaxy Z Fold 4. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that all away, and I'm gonna rock this bad boy right here. I'm gonna take my SIM out of my Z Fold 4, and I'm gonna use the Pixel 6a. I love Pixel software, and I think Google does an amazing job with their software on their phones. Yeah, I know the latest series didn't have the best performance based off of all the bugs they were having. I'm sure over time they will squash all of them and figure it out. But like I said, I returned them because I wasn't comfortable paying $900 for the Pixel 6 Pro with all those issues it was having. And the battery kind of sucked on those phones. So I picked this up. As you can see, I got like the Panda version. Got the black bar with the white back. And it has kind of like a green tint, or almost like a dirty white on top. Man, this color is nice with the matte black rails. Man, this thing looks clean, baby. Alright. This came with the Google Tensor processor that is on the latest Pixel Premium handsets. It has USB Type-C to C and a Type-C to USB Type-A adapter. The cool thing about this is they kind of went the Apple route. They made a budget device, but with the premium processor. That's Google's in-house made CPU. Now, I set this up because I didn't want to bore you guys through the setup process, but this is going to be the unlock with the fingerprint. And as you guys see, bam, right in the phone. Pretty clean. I set it up real quick, just installed some apps to test it out. Man, this thing is clean, yo. For $300, you cannot go wrong. If Google gets this right for $300, killing the game. Is this a great phone? That is yet to be seen. But like I said, I'm gonna challenge myself to use this. I'm gonna put away my Z Fold 4. I'm gonna use this for a couple days. Is the Z Fold 4 gonna be damn near $1,700 more than this? Is that $1,700 better than this phone? I don't know. That is yet to be seen. I did pay almost $2,000 for my Z Fold 4, but that came with the watch and the buds. So I got a deal on it, but this one's $300. So, like I said, is the Z Fold 4 $1,700 better than this Pixel 6a? Yes, the Z Fold 4 is a better phone in terms of premium, the hardware, the cameras, the 8 Gen Plus processor, whatever the hell they call it, 8 Plus Gen 1. Yes, I believe so. You know, it has a lot more going for it. But at this price tag, man, it has been years since premium flagships have been going for $1,000+. But is it worth it? Are you getting that much more? Can the Z Fold 4 do a lot more than this one? And I'm not talking about in terms of screen real estate, because we all know when you open the Z Fold 4, it is an amazing device. It is a multitasking king. But is it $1,700 better? I'm going to find out. So this is on Android 12. I'm going to update it to Android 13, but this is how it came out the box. It is fast. It is not a slow device. Yes, if you put it next to a 120 hertz display and you start using this one, you're going to notice that the animations are not as fast as the 120 hertz display. But if you have this next to an iPhone 13, which is Apple's latest device that they charge $700-800 depending on storage capacity, this is $300, and it is the same 60 hertz frame rate. Come on, you cannot go wrong. Google's killing it, but that's if they don't have the bugs that they had in the previous devices. Yes, like I said, most of that is software. They can squash that over time. But they have to get that done, man. They can't keep releasing these devices and having all these issues in the beginning with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth issues, battery issues, overheating issues. If you use 4K, the phone overheats and shuts down. You can't have those issues, man. You guys are a software company. Figure the shit out. There. This, I believe, is going to be an amazing device because of a combination of the hardware. It feels, I think this is glass. I mean, I'm sorry, plastic, but it feels like glass. That camera module up there, it looks amazing. This color combination looks amazing. The speakers on this actually sound amazing. And the camera quality, this is one of the best camera phones that you can buy. And I believe that the stills on this might be better than the Z Fold 4s. I think the Z Fold 4 is going to have better recording capabilities in terms of recording video, but I think the stills on this might be better. So I'm going to put a quick music sample and we'll see how these sound. Man, this sounds great. It has a dual speaker setup, so stereo speakers, one in the earpiece, one on a bottom firing speaker. And man, this thing is killing. $299. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that in this video. $299. Killing the game. So I'm going to use this as my primary device for a couple days. And I'll let you guys know how my experience goes. But if you're looking for a decent smartphone with a great camera, I'm hoping decent battery life because it is a 60 hertz display. So it can't be killing it that much, but I don't want to talk too fast because I've been surprised in the past with Google's issues. NFC, no wireless charging, but you're going to get fast wired charging. And like I said, one of the best cameras in the game. I'm going to see if I have a picture here that I did. I did take a picture of my wife on this phone and my dog on the side. And look how clear that looks. From a phone that cost $299. Yeah, the back, it didn't handle the HDR at its best in the back with that bright sunshine. But look how good this picture came out. And I believe that is a portrait picture. I think it's a portrait picture. That's probably why I didn't handle the HDR that well in the back. But clean. Clean, clean, clean. Let me know what you guys want me to test out. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Let me know if you guys have any concerns. I'll answer them to the best of my ability. But just keep in mind, I just picked this up today. I'm gonna drop this video today so you guys can see what I just got. But I'm super excited because I love Pixel software. Man, they need to fix the issues, man. Fix the bugs. But I can't be mad at $299. Who could be mad at this? Look how clean that looks. Man, I hope the Pixel 7 Pro kills it. I hope they fix that software, and I hope they get the hardware right, because if they do, Samsung and Apple, beware. So I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys watch my video, like I said, if any questions, leave it at the comment down below. I'll get to it as fast as I can. If you guys like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. That continues to help me make these videos. And please subscribe. It's just a button right down there. And I'll do a follow-up video and let you guys know my conclusions on how this phone performed overall. And then we'll go from there. I might do a comparison between the Z Fold 4 and this one side by side. But we'll see how it goes. I don't want to do that too much because it's a $300 phone versus an $1,800 phone. So I know the Z4 is going to kill it in a lot of categories. But I just want you guys to know that you can go out there and spend $300 and get a really nice phone and not have to go broke. I'm going to end it there, guys. Always have a blessed day. Peace.